welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. I do hope that you all are having an amazing day. I do believe I said that, but just in case, yes, please, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you can see from the title down below, today we're going to be unboxing the Glamour Jewelry Box. So I love this box. I've unboxed it before. They recently reached out to me and asked if I would do another review, and I was like, of course, because the jewelry is always absolutely beautiful. Now, Glamour Jewelry Box is $29.99 or $29.95 a month. And what's really neat is it's not a rental service. You get to keep all three because it comes with 3 pieces of jewelry every month. And one thing too that I think is actually kind of unique is they don't necessarily, you don't fill out a profile that you want silver jewelry, that you want gold tone, you want rose gold. You get what they send you, which is, it's nice because it has actually opened me up, because I'm typically a silver or rose gold girl, but I have received items that I do have some gold jewelry in my collection that I do wear occasionally. And like I said, the quality of the jewelry is amazing. I have never had any issues. I have very sensitive ears. I've never had any issues with any of their jewelry turning, doing anything to my ears, or anything like that. You do usually receive a pair of earrings, a necklace, and a bracelet each month. So we are going to get in here and see what we got in this Glamour Jewelry Box. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. Like I said, they are $29.95 a month. So when you first open the box, there's always a card right on top, and it will tell you about the pieces and the total value. And then inside will be this little cute baggie that was already ready to come out on top of some squigglies. And this has all your jewelry in it. All right, so Glamour Jewelry Box. We curated this month's collection to celebrate the end of summer. With a mix of delicate and statement, these pieces will pair perfectly with your summer wardrobe. And then it goes over each of the pieces, and this month's box is valued at $75. So that is awesome. So let's get in here and see what we got. I like these bags too because you can store your jewelry in here. And like I said, I've never had any issues with any of their jewelry turning, but these are great to store your jewelry, or if you kind of want to polish, something, these are great for that as well. So the first thing that caught my attention is this beautiful cuff bracelet. This is like so gorgeous. Gold apparently is going to be our color this month. And I definitely am seeing like the delicate and statement happening here. So textured cuff, retail price is $25. This adjustable cuff bracelet is a simple and effortless go-to bracelet. And y'all, that is so pretty. And obviously very easy to put on. But that is just so pretty. And I definitely, like I said, I'm more of a silver or white gold girl. However, with fall, I think rose gold and gold, because it looks like all of these are gold, are really pretty because they pair so nicely with, like the greens and the mauves and the browns and different colors that you wear in the fall. So I like this. I think this is really pretty. And then we have these, I would consider the statement part of the box, and they are the earrings, and they are really, really pretty. You can see them right here. They're simple in that they're not like in your face, but they do make enough of a statement that you're going to notice them. I love that they're dangles, and they are, I mean, you can see I kind of like the longer dangle, and I think these are really, really beautiful earrings. They do give you the little rubber backing, but I think those are beautiful. Love those so, so much. And then our final item is a necklace. And this is gonna definitely go more on the delicate side. I can already tell. The necklace is always in a little bag. Oh, it got a little bit tangled. Let's see. Let's see what we need to do. Well, okay, I will deal with getting that out later, but first let me show you, it does have an extender, which I love when they do that, so you can kind of adjust the length to sit exactly where you want. I have it untangled just enough to show you because it is just a simple chain. Well, I thought I did. I may be making this worse. Okay, we'll just show you like this, but this is what the necklace, it's just a simple little triangle, but like, I mean, that's so pretty, and it is delicate, but it is so gorgeous. So I think that once I get this knot out, I think that that necklace is gorgeous and is, again, delicate. This is delicate, but still kind of, you know, gorgeous, or not kind of, I mean, it is gorgeous. And then you have your earrings where you can kind of make that statement. So they're like, hey, we're here, we're all done up in jewelry, look at us, we're gorgeous. So let me know your thoughts. I think all three pieces are absolutely beautiful. I don't know what would be my favorite. I'm between the cuff and the earrings for my favorite, because I just really like this cuff. I think, again, it is just so, so pretty, but the earrings are absolutely 110% my style, and I think they are so, so beautiful. And again, this box is valued at $75. So I will put a link to Glamour Jewelry Box down below. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, we do have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on, and our Thrift a Bag, the Betsy Johnson backpack giveaway. It's a brand new backpack. Both of those do end on the 22nd of this month, so you have plenty of time to enter. So head over, the link for the 5,000 subscriber giveaway is down below, as well, like I said, as a link to Glamour Jewelry Box. So again, let me know, what piece was your favorite? You know, did you like the earrings the best? Did you like the necklace? Did you like the cuff? Let me know your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys. So have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.